Accessibility testing occupies a strange position in most QA strategies. Teams know it matters. Legal teams are increasingly explicit about the risk. Users with disabilities deserve to be served. And yet, sprint after sprint, accessibility testing is the item that gets deprioritized when time runs short. The reason isn't indifference, it's the tooling gap. ACT score is good, but it only catches about 30 to 40%. The remaining 60 to 70% requires something rule engines fundamentally cannot provide: contextual reasoning. Is this button labeled correctly? Is the focus trap broken? These questions require reasoning about intent. 14 days, 3 agents, 0 to 95% automated accessibility coverage, and 23 level A violations found, including a broken modal focus trap affecting 31 routes that ACT score had never once flagged. Today I'm walking you through every agent: the crawler, the auditor, the tracker, and the CI config. 3 agents, 1 pipeline. Each agent's output is the next agent's input. Let's look at the flow. Agent 1, the crawler. It handles route crawls, DOM, snapshots, and keyboard focus maps. Agent 2, the auditor. LLM contextual audit, structured JSON violations, and confidence scoring. Agent 3, the tracker. Deduplication by component, priority sorting, and Jira ticket creation. The division of labor is deliberate. It makes the pipeline debuggable and highly scalable. The crawler's job is systematic evidence collection. Here is the TypeScript interface defining that bundle. It collects full DOM snapshots, screenshots at 4 viewports, and ACT score results per route. But the focus map and interactive states are what make this bundle fundamentally different. ACT score analyzes the static DOM, but we capture the actual keyboard tab sequence for every user state. We also capture screenshots at mobile, tablet, and desktop viewports to check for visual regressions. The focus order capture uses document.activeElement to track where focus goes after every tab press. If a sequence jumps out of a modal unexpectedly, we flag it as a WCAG level A violation. Now, Agent 2, the auditor. This handles the 6 gap categories that rule engines systematically miss. We evaluate focus management, error message association, and color contrast across theme variants, plus image classification, reading versus visual order, and mobile touch target sizing. The prompt uses structured XML tags like DOM_snapshot and keyboard_focus_map to ground the audit. We force a JSON output with confidence scores to help filter out any low certainty findings. Here is the actual modal violation. It cites specific focus map orders to prove the failure. The report even includes before and after code examples to help developers fix it instantly. Our N8N processing node cleans the LLM response and routes findings based on confidence scores. Agent 3, the tracker. It deduplicates hundreds of violations into a manageable set of Jira tickets. By normalizing selectors, we group the same component issue appearing across dozens of routes. The weekly rescan loop auto-closes resolved tickets or reopens them if a regression is detected. We integrated this into CI. Every push runs a fast audit on only the changed routes. Even if violations are found, the PR gets a detailed comment with the auditor's findings. The first full audit found 23 level A violations that had been shipping for 8 months. The modal focus trap was the biggest. ACT score never flagged it because it doesn't test sequences. We also found 14 forms with 0 programmatic error feedback for screen reader users. In just 14 days, our coverage went from 0% to 95%, catching 89% of potential violations. A few caveats: 89% isn't 100%. Cognitive and motion accessibility still need human eyes. LLMs produce false positives. We recommend a human review gate for medium confidence findings. Setting up the road registry is a manual lift, but once done, the automation pays off weekly. This pipeline doesn't replace specialists. It empowers teams to catch structural blockers early. We moved from quarterly manual audits to continuous coverage on every single code push. All the code is linked in the description. For more AI-powered QA, subscribe to Automate and Elevate.